Hello everybody. Today I'm here to show you how to change the text on your start bar, as you can see. Ha ha ha. Okay, first you need to go get this. It's called Res Hacker. It'll be available for download on my website, which will be in the description. Okay. First things first, once you've got reshacker.exe, you want to click start. You want to go to Programs, Accessories, System Tools, System Restore. Okay, so next you want to create a restore point. Okay, so now, since we're going to be getting in some stuff that could be harmful to your computer, but it's worked a bunch of times for me, so I'm just not responsible for whatever your computer does, or whatever. Okay, so next what you want to do is, whatever store point you want, like pre-hack or whatever, and you click create, and then you cancel that. Okay, so once you have a restore point, what you want to do is go to your computer. Okay, next you want to go in your local disk C. Okay, next what you want to do is go down to Windows. Okay, next, this is a bunch of files, I know. Next you want to go to Explorer right here, and just copy that, and then go back to your local disk C and save in a folder. Mine's in backup right here. Okay, now first you want to go to Res Hacker or Resource Hacker, something like that. I can't remember. Yeah, Resource Hacker. Now you want to open in File. Next, we want to go to Explorer.exe. Okay, you're here. Next, you'll go to the folder called String Table, so max that. Then you want to go to, sorry about that. Then you want to go to 37. Then click on whatever's in 37. Okay, so once you're here, what you want to do is, in this box right here, between the quotation marks, you want to type in whatever you want. It could be anything. And I guess I'll do another one, so I think of one. Okay, so just call this one end. I don't know. Okay, after that, don't mess with anything else, or otherwise it'll like mess up your whole computer, and you can't click the start button and all that stuff. I mean, I haven't tried it, and I won't. Anyway, after that, you want to click Compile Script. And you want to go to File, Save As. Make sure you're in Windows. Save it as Explorer hack.exe. You don't have to put the 3. Make sure you have the .exe. Explorer hack. So save that. Okay. Now we're done with Resource Hacker. He went bye-bye. Next, what we want to go to is Run. And I want to type in REGEDIT with no spaces, regedit. Okay. Then you're gonna get a bunch of folders. Okay, hold on a second. Okay, first, once you open it, you'll get these things. What you want to click on or expand is high key local machine. Then you want to scroll down to Microsoft, expand that. Then you want to scroll down to okay, so while you're in Microsoft, you'll scroll down to Windows NT. When you're in that folder, you want to go to click Don't Expand when Logon. Okay. So once you're in here, you want to go down in this section and click on Shell. Okay. Now the data here, it'll just say Explorer. Well, you want to change that to Explorer Hack. And since I put a 3 in mine, okay, since you've typed in Explorer Hack, you'll say OK. And then that's basically it. But as you can see, it hasn't changed. Now the reason is because once you restart your computer, it'll do that. Okay, so I'll go ahead and restart my computer. Okay, everybody, I'm back, and as you can see, and ta-da, whatever. Okay, now if you want to switch back or something messes up your computer, you go to All Programs, Accessories, System Tools, System Restore, and now you don't click Make a Restore Point. You click Restore Computer to an earlier time, which should be clicked, and then click Next. Okay, so now you would go to the day or currently there, where you would click Pre-Hack, go to Next, click Next, and it would restore your computer to the earlier time of that day. So this is Track Eagle for the Strong Jedi, and please comment, rate, and subscribe. Check out my channel and go to my website. See ya.